Welcome to the Simple Logistics channel. So today I'm going to explain the concept and the history of milk run. So when somebody that works with logistics like me says milk run, what do we mean by that? What the heck is a milk run? So a milk run is one of the tools that we have for inbound logistics, for the logistics to bring supplies, raw material to the company. The history of the milk run is around the year 1917, or even before that, in the Midwest, in the United States, in rural areas. Um, producers, the farmers, to have these aluminum cans, the milk can, and there was a train that collected all these cans to take them to a dairy factory. So what they did was the farmers, the producers, would leave there by the tracks, the field, the full milk cans. The train would pass, stop, load the full milk cans, leave some empty milk cans back to the farmer for the production of the next day, and then the train would resume its route and would pass by other of these collection points to collect milk from other farms as well. So this system was very good work, routine, frequency. So the trains would pass every day, pretty much the same time to collect the milk cans. So it worked really well, and it was uneventful. So, and the milk would get to the end customers on time. When Second World War came, the American aviators started to refer to their missions where they didn't anticipate or didn't expect opposition. They started to refer to these missions as milk run. It would be as easy as a milk run. So gained this new meaning. And after that, especially the car manufacturers, they started to use the same word to refer to a system to collect parts from several manufacturers in one route with one cargo truck. So let me give you an example. Let's say there is a large company in Detroit, and they have suppliers in Saginaw, Lansing, and Flint in the state of Michigan, and they have to collect parts in these suppliers every day, every single day. Not a lot of parts, one pallet, two pallets, something like that. A small volume of parts, let's say 2 tons, 3 metric tons of parts each. So what you can do, you can send a medium-sized or small-sized truck to pick up parts in each individual supplier. Then these small trucks would, if you combine these different routes, round trip, you send the miles that they have to travel. You'll go every day 525 miles to leave Detroit, collect the parts at the supplier, and go back to your company. That a lot of waste. So manufacturers in general they devised a new idea that would avoid so much waste. So then the milk run was born. What you do, you use a large truck, big rig truck, and you go collect parts at all the suppliers, combining the route. So the same truck would leave, in this example, it would leave Detroit, go to the first supplier in Flint, collect the parts here, 1 or 2 pallets of parts, then go to Saginaw, load the material from the supplier number 2, then continue to Lansing, load material from supplier number 3, and go back to Detroit. It can be done in one working day. It's not that difficult unless it's snowing or something like that. And the total distance that the truck will have to drive in this route is 272 miles. So you almost cut in half the distance that you have to travel. Of course, you're using a bigger equipment, a bigger truck. It will use more fuel per mile, but you cut so much the distance that you have to go, and you are using only one driver also. So the company is saving a lot in labor costs. So in general, this is a lot more efficient than making small routes with small equipment to every individual supplier. So combining several suppliers in only one route is a really smarter way to go. So that's why today almost every car manufacturer, for example, uses Milkran in their inbound logistics. So check it out, see if it works for your company, if you can do that. And if you do that and you have savings and you have good results, please let me know in the comments. Give me some feedback. It would be nice to hear back from you if you use these concepts, if you apply them in your activities. Okay, so that was all for today. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.